SARURA kids. Hi, how are you? I've been learning about loads of Shona lately. I've learnt head, shoulders, knees and toes. Would you like to learn it with me? I think it would be easier if I had a friend. Yasha! Yasha! Hello, Yasha.
How can I help? Let's learn about head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Let's do it in English. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay! High five. Let's do it in Shona. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe, Minwe. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Maziso, Nzeve, Muromo, Nemuno. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Come. Let's do it again.
Not again.
Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Nemusoro, Maziso, Nzeve, Muromo, Nemuno, Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe, Mabvi.
Let's do it fast.
Let's do it faster.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Nemusiso, Nzeve, Muromo, Nemuno. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe.
Maybe do it even more faster.
Even faster? I'm puffed out, but let's do it. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Maziso, Nzeve, Muromo, Nemuno. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe.
Let's do it even more faster.
So let's do it again. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe. Musoro, Maziso, Nzeve, Muromo, Nemuno. Musoro, Mapfudzi, Minwe.
Yes, even faster.
Okay. No, let's not do that. Look, you've made the baby cry.
You made the baby cry.
It wasn't my fault.
It was both of our fault.
Yeah, let's hug it out.
Okay.
Bye. Whoa, that was fun, wasn't it? Well, I'm so tired out that I gotta go to sleep. Bye, guys.